Senor, Senor, can you tell me where we're headed? Lincoln County Road or Armageddon? Seems like I've been down this road before. Is there any truth in that, Senor? Senor, Senor, do you know where she's hiding? How long are we gonna be riding? How long must I keep my eyes glued to the door? Will there be any comfort there, Senor? There's a wicked wind still blowing on that upper deck. There's an iron cross still hanging down from around her neck, with a marching band still playing in that vacant lot, where she held me in her arms one time, said forget me not, Senor. Senor, I can see that paint wagon, smell the tail of the dragon. Can't stand the suspense anymore. Can you tell me where to contact you, Senor? And kneeled was a train load of fools parked down in a magnetic field. A gypsy with a broken flag and a flashing ring. He said, son, this ain't no dream no more, it's a real thing. Senor, Senor, you know their hearts are hard as leather. Give me a minute, let's get it together. Just gotta pick myself up off the floor. I'm ready when you are, Senor. Senor, oh Senor. So turn these tables and disconnect these cables. This place don't make any sense to me no more. Can you tell me what we're waiting here for, Senor? Thank you very much.
Never heard you play anything like that.
Yeah. So it's almost set. Dan.
You're all set.